What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much OMGHerHair. They sent us a light Yaki lace front wig and modeling today is Alex. She's a very talented writer, artist, and lash tech and she's joining us today. So first I'm going to take my Sea Breeze and cleanse off any oil or makeup around the hairline. Now we're going to put this stocking cap on the simple way. I'm not going to do all that cutting and customizing, just putting a little glue on top of the forehead and sticking the cap on.
So this for Harvey, that's not pink. Girl. That's smart as hell. I think people either be buying real fabric or they be buying some expensive ass backdrops because even I looked, girl, I be using my blinds.
Alright, now it's time to put on this unit. Now to compare this to the other Yaki straight hair that I've used on this channel before, this is light Yaki straight. So the curl pattern is a little less coarse, a little straighter, and I think y'all will like this one. Alright, now I can take my eyeliner pencil and trace the shape of the hairline. Alright, once we're done, we can get ready to glue. So as you guys are applying the glue, make sure it's at least half an inch away from your client's hairline. Now it's not going to irritate your client while she has the install in, but when she's trying to take it out, it's a lot easier for the glue to come off the skin rather it being tangled up in your hair. Alright, once we're done spreading that, let's wait till it turns clear and then go ahead and add our second coat.
Did everything, girl. We done opened up for so and so and such, did X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
The happiest I done been is writing music and doing lashes. Cause I don't have to put on.
Yeah.
And I don't have to do all that stuff. And now I realize that it was all a facade and I never had to do all of the stuff that I thought I had to do.
Really?
Yeah, cause I always could have been like, fuck y'all.
Alright, so now that both layers of glue are clear and tacky, we can go ahead and place our lace down. Then we can give it a good press. Now I can take my scissors and cut the excess lace off the edges. Yes, bitch, I see you. All right, let's take our Sea Breeze and erase that eyeliner line. So obviously this wig looks amazing just going straight back or just freehanded, but today we're going to do a middle part. And before I put the setting foam on it to mold the wig, I'm going to go ahead and pluck the part. Alright, now that our foam is on, I'm going to take my comb, part out a thin row of hair on each side, cut it about 1 inch, and then we can mold our baby hair. The product that I'm using on the baby hair today is Got to Be Glue. I'm going to take my edge brush and use my comb and smooth method to create the shape. Comb with your right hand and smooth with your left. Alright, now that that's done, we can take our black wrap it around the front of the hair, and dry it with a blow dryer for about 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, this is cute. This is the final result for the light Yaki straight wig from OMGHerHair.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Or I could be like, bonjour. Comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle Angelique. Girl, I look good.
Once again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I so appreciate the comments, the likes, the subscribers. Thank you so much. I will keep this going for as long as I can. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you can be a part of the notification gang. See y'all later.